I gave up so many times. I gave up to the point where I was gonna take the rest of the packs back, but I literally couldn't find my receipt. Welcome to La Vida Rosa. I'm your host Pinky, and today I'm going to be experimenting with these Bobbi Boss Bae Locs. So if you really want to know the truth about installation and how I feel about these dreads in general, just stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like for everyone to check out my website, lavidarosastyle.com, where you can find cute accessories like the ones I'm wearing right here. So make sure you check out that link down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I parted and I braided my hair off camera. Let me give y'all a full 360. It took me around 2 hours to do this, y'all. I didn't think it was gonna take that long, but I'm just so particular with like parting and spacing. I put a little bit of gel around each one of the parts to make it a little bit more, you know, make the edges lay down and look a little bit more sleek. And I just used a little leave-in conditioner. And so now I'm ready to attach the Bae Locs, which I'm so excited to wear, y'all. And here they are. I got them in the color 27. The girl in the picture looks so cute, by the way. This is what really made me want to get them. I got the 20-inch ones because I did dreads that look similar to these a while ago and they were shorter, so I wanted to do the long ones this time. I just like how realistic they look. You know they're fake, but they have like a realistic look. So there are 10 of them in each pack, supposedly. I have yet to open up all of them, but let me see. Okay, there are 10 in here, and then there are 2 accent pieces. I don't see myself using very many of these, if any at all. I tried to buy enough to where I didn't have to use them. They feel very lightweight, so that's another reason why I was excited to get them, because if you've seen my other faux locks video, the way I did those locks, they're heavier and tighter and a little bit more uncomfortable in the beginning. So I'm thinking these will be a lot less uncomfortable, and I'm hoping this color will be cute for me. Oh, I might use a couple of these. It's actually cute. Okay, I might do that. I might put them in the back though. Let me get my crochet needle. What am I thinking? Your typical crochet needle you get from the beauty supply. I know everybody has seen this particular one. Okay, so apparently you take the crochet needle and you stick it through the base of the braid. You attach the faux lock to the end, close the latch. I hope y'all can see that. And then pull it through. Let it go. And then open it back up and stick the dread back through. Tighten it up. Twist the dread opposite of the way it goes to wrap it around the braid. Mind you, y'all, this is my first time, so if it's looking a little janky, it's because I'm trying to get the hang of it. But it seems easy enough. Uh-oh. I had a little trouble doing this one, and I feel like this one isn't even all the way successful. It was a lot harder than I saw a lot of people do. A lot of people made it look really easy. But for my hair, I think it would be better if I did this technique I'm about to show you. Okay, pull it through. Pull the thread through. Then once you do that, I'm going to start from like where the hair might end and try to go through the center of the dread, which is kind of hard because there is no like true center, but go all the way to the root and then come out. Wait, oh no. Stick like the end part of the braid and then pull it through. Oh Lord.
The problem here was the braid didn't go all the way through. It just stayed bunched up at the root.
I think what I need to do is like attach the hook to the actual braid. Like, let me start up. I'm gonna pull this out. Okay. Go through the center once again. Interlock the braid into the hook. And then pull it. Oh, that didn't work. Y'all, I'm so frustrated. I thought this would be so much easier.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Y'all, hopefully this is my last one. This has been like one of the most frustrating experiences of me doing protective styles. Like, even when it takes me like 12 hours to do braids, this was even more frustrating, even though it took less time.
So basically, I go through the same process I showed y'all earlier. I'm not going to make y'all suffer through that one more time, but this is what happened.
So see, this is where I find a lot of the problem is if the braid isn't covered, because like this is where I got the most frustrated. Like, even for this one, you can see a lot of the braid, and so I just had to reconcile the fact that you're going to be able to see the braid. I've done this so many times where I started all the way over, because it's like once you pull the thing, the braid through, it's like this, it's no good anymore. This is no good anymore because it's already unraveled at the base. I'm telling you, I've done this over and over. Thank God I bought more bags than I needed, because like I wasted probably a whole bag during this process. When I say I'm so mad, I want to go to sleep. It's literally 1:40 in the morning, and I'm just ready to be done with this. I'm so irritated. Hopefully it works this time, y'all, because I just can't. See, this turned out a lot better this time around. I think sometimes when the thread is thicker, it just has a better result. So now I'm just gonna take this excess braid. I have to pull that through too, so I'm going to start lower and try to stay in the middle once again, and then you have to come out as close as you can to the actual braid, then grab the braid and pull it through. Wow, this is actually one of the most successful ones. I thought like, it's bothering me so bad. I don't know if I can keep this like hairstyle. I don't know, cause see, if I decide I want to flip it over, you could see the braid. So clearly it is bothering me. That's bothering me. And honestly, y'all tell me down below, should I or shouldn't I? Cause I'm so upset. Like I said, this is the most frustrated I've ever been. I gave up so many times. I gave up to the point where I was gonna take the rest of the packs back, but I literally couldn't find my receipt. So this whole process of me attaching the dreads took 3 hours. So in total it took me around 5 hours, which is not bad, but just the frustration and anguish I felt, it might as well took me 13, 14, 15 hours. Like, I was so mad. It took me so long. It took me so long to just get the hang of getting them on here and just realizing my braid, like a whole braid, is gonna show. Okay, I'm about to go to sleep. I'm gonna come back with a full face and I'm gonna see how I like this tomorrow. Right now I'm just too tired to try to embrace it. I'm just gonna go to sleep.
Day 3.
Okay, y'all, so it is literally 3 days later, because it literally took me this long to embrace this style. What I had to understand is because my hair is not the color of this hair. The roots are, but if you saw my last video, you know why. I'll link my bleaching fail video down below. But as far as like my real hair, it's just going to poke through. If my hair was black and I bought black dreads, then this wouldn't be a problem at all. I wouldn't even care because it's the same color, and even if you see a braid, it's camouflaged better. So I'm just I just had to get used to the fact that you're gonna see the braids like at the roots, and you know, it's not even that serious. I just in my core, I'm a little bit OCD, especially when it comes to my hairstyles, and I like them to be as uniform as possible. And if not, that really bothers me. But once I came to terms that the braid is just gonna show through, I'm okay with these, y'all. I actually think they're really cute. I like the little accent pieces, but I put them in places that they can easily be hidden if I don't want to show them. I have three. I have three, I believe. Yeah, I have one in the back too. I used 32 pieces in all. They're super lightweight. They're not as heavy as they look at all. I don't know what else I could say. I wouldn't wear these in a straight back cornrows. I don't think they would look good that way, but I do like them individually. And yeah, I showed y'all how I did it. I don't know if that's the most successful way. If y'all have a better way, let me know down below, because I will redo some of these. Have you tried these? Will you try these? How do you think they look on me? In particular, this color. Like, I'm actually living for the color. I'm gonna try 27 a little bit more often. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.